الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المخلوقين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد. Dear students, in the last class we have discussed about square roots, and we have discussed 4 questions from exercise 6.3. Today we discussing now the remaining parts of the exercise 6.3. At first, the question number 5. What is the question? For each of the following number, find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. Firstly, we have to understand the question. What said the question? Here are some numbers. That numbers are not a perfect square. The number will come perfect square when if we multiply that number by a number. We have to find which number how to multiply. Okay. For that, here we take two numbers. Which numbers are there? 252 and 180. We discussing these two numbers. Firstly, we taking 252. 252 is not a perfect square because at last have a number 2. That's why directly we can say it is not a perfect square. Then what we'll do? We have to find which number how to multiply with a 252 to get a perfect square. For that, what we will do? We will take the prime factorization of that number. We have to take a prime factorization that we doing here 252. We doing by 2. How many times will come? 126 will come. 126. Then also we take 2. How many times will come? 63 will come. Then we take in the number 3. How many times will come? 21 will come. Then also we taking 3, then 7 times is coming, then we take 7, then 1 is come. We take the prime factorization. Then we take the prime numbers which have got here 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Then what I have studied? We have studied for if we get the prime numbers, we will take the pairs. Here 2 2 we can take a pair, then 3 3 we can take a pair, but for the 7 there is no pair. That's why to get if it is a perfect square there will be pair. That's why to get a perfect square what we will do? Which number have not a pair, that number have to multiply with 252. That's why we can say to get a perfect square 252 have to multiply with 7. Do you understand what we say? Firstly we will take the prime factorization, then we check which numbers have the pairs and which one have not a pair. Then which number have not a pair, with the same number we have to multiply. That's why we take 252 have to multiply with 7. Then when we multiply, what will come the answer? 2 7s are 14. Then okay, carry will come 5 7 35 36, carry 3 2 7s are 14, 3 7 1 17 64 will come. Then we can say 74 is a perfect square. Then there have one more question. What have there? Also find the square root of this square number so obtained. Now we obtained the square number. Which is the square number? Square number is 1764. Then we have to find the square root of 1764. How will find the square root of 1764? For the there have a pairs of which number? 2 have it there, then 3 have there, then 7. Now we take a pair of 7, then 7 also a pair. Then we can say there have pairs of 2 3 and 7. Then 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. Then we can say square root will come 42. In the same way we can do the 180 also. Firstly what we will do? We have to take a prime factorization. We divide by 2. How many times will come? 90 will come. Then also with 2, 45 will come. Then here which number will take? 3 we can take 15 times. Then also 3 we will get 5 times. Then 5, then we will get as 1. Okay, then we take in the number prime numbers. Which prime numbers we got? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. We also check the pairs. 2 have the pair, 3 have the pair, but for the 5 there is no pair. That's why we can say 180 have to multiple with 5. When we multiple 180 with 5, square number what will come? We can multiply 5 zeros are 0, 5 eights are 40, 0 carrying 4, 1 5s are 5 ones are 5 plus 4, 900 is the square number. Then what will come? The square root of 900. We can write it. 2 have a pair, 3 have a pair, then 5 now we got also a pair. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Then we can say the square root number will come as 30. Like that we can do the remaining parts. Okay. The next we discussing which sixth question we discussing. What have there? For each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should divide so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. Here direct opposite for the previous question. For the previous question we say we have to multiply. Here we say we have to divide. But the method is same method. Firstly we have to take a prime factorization. 252 we one more times we take in the prime factorization. What we do? 2 will come 126, 2 will come 63, 3 will come 21, 3 will come 7, 7 will come 1. Okay, then here what we will do? We have to write the prime numbers. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. 2 have the pair, 3 have the pair, but for the 7 not pair. That's why here which number have not the pair, that number have to divide by our number. Then we can say 252 have to divide by 7. We divide in 252 we divide by 7. Okay, 7 3s are 21, the remainder 4 for 2 we take it downside. So 7 6 are 42, the remainder 0. Then we can say which is the perfect number? 36. The square number will come as 36. Okay, then also I have a question. We have to find the square root. Square root of 36 how can write? We can say which perfect square, which pairs are there? 2 have a pair, 3 have a pair, 2 3s are 6. Then we can say the number is 6. Okay, in the same way we doing the number. Which one? 2925. 2925. Here which number we have to use to divide? 3 we will use. Then how many? 3 7s 3 9s are 27, then 22, 3 7s are 21, then 5. Then also we using 3. Okay, then 3 3s are, then 3 2s are 6, 5. Then next which number we can use? 5 we can use. When we use the 5 what will come? 5 6 are 30, 5 5s are 25. Then next also we using 5. How many times it will come? 5 ones are 5, then 15, 5 3s are 15. Then we have to use 13. When we divide by 30 will come as 1. Okay, then here we write in the prime numbers. How can write? 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 13. Pairs we take. 3 3 have a pair, 5 5 have a pair, but for 13 there is no pair. That's why 2925 have to divide by 13. We dividing that one. 2925 have to divide by 13. Then into 29, 2 times we can write 2 13s are 26. Remainder will come 3. 32 also 2 times 26. Then will come as 6. Then next number 5. 65 will come 5. then 65 remainder 0. Then what will come the answer? We can say perfect square number is 225. Then also have to find the square root of 225. Then we find the square root. How can find the square root? Here are pair of 3 and 5. 3 5s are 15. Okay, like that we can find the remaining parts. Next, seventh question. It is a word problem. What have there? The students of class 8 of a school donated rupees 2401 in all for Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. Each student donated as many rupees as the number of the students in the class. Find the number of students in the class. Do you understand the question? We can say in a class total they collected some money for the relief for the fund, Prime Minister National Relief Fund. How much rupees they collected? Totally they collected total money how much rupees are there? 2401 rupees. Okay, then next what say? Each students donated as many rupees as the number of the students in the class. In the class, how many students are there? In the count of, if there have 30 students, then each students have take 30 rupees. Okay, but we cannot directly, we cannot say there have 30 students. We have to find how many students. That's why we say let we take number of students in the class. Number of students we take in the class as x. B x in we take as x, then we can say total money equal to what we say, how much students have there in the count of each students have take that money, then we can say x into x. That we also already say what will come 2401. Okay, x into x what will come? X square will come, then equal to 2401. Then to get the number of students we have to find the square root of 2401, and number of students we can say what will come? Root 2401. For that one we are taking the prime factorization 2401. Okay, 240, which number we can divide? 7 we can use. 7 3s are 21, then remainder there will be 3, then 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, then 21, 7 3s are, then also we can divide with 7, then what will come? 7 4s are 28, the remainder 63, 7 9s are 60, then also with 7 7s are, then with 7, then 1, then root 2401 equal to root of 7. How many times are coming? 4 times are coming. 7 into 7. Then we making the pairs. There have 2 pairs. That's why we can write 7 into 7 equal to 49. Therefore we can say number of students what will come? Number of students we will get as 49. Okay, in the same way we can write 8th question also. That's why you have to try that one. Okay, then 9th question. What is the 9th question? Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 4, 9 and 10. We have to find a square number that is divisible by 4 and 9 and 10. Okay, for that one what we'll do? Firstly we have to find the LCM of these number. At first we have to find the LCM of 4, 9 and 10. how will find the LCM? So many two methods have we can use pre-factorization method also. Otherwise, which method? We take in the multiples, and here we are using pre-factorization method. 4, 9, 10. Which number we can take? 2 we can take. 2 2s are 4. 9 we cannot divide, that's why 9, right? Then 5. Then also with the 2. Then 2 1s are 9, we write like that. 5 we write. Okay. The next we can take 3 1 3 5. Then with the 3 1 1 5. Then with the 5 1 1 5. Then LCM we can write as a 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 5s are 180. Then LCM we can take as a 180. Here we can check 180 is a perfect square. No, because what are the prime numbers? 2 2 3 3. 2 2 will get a pair. 3 3 we will get a pair. Then for the 5 there is no pair. That's why to get a perfect square, that is a divisible by 4 9 and 10, what will do? Here we will do a method which one have not pair, that have to multiple. Okay, that's why we have to multiple with 180. LCM have to multiple with 5. For the 5 there is no pair, that's why 180 into 5, what will come? 5 zeros are 0, 5 8s are 40, then 1 for 900. Then we can say the perfect number that is divided by 4 9 10 is 4900. Okay, like that we can do 10th question also. So by this, here we concluding today's class. آخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته.